everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's Friday, so that means we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. So I saved all my packages from the week so we could open them together. I actually haven't opened any of these, so we will be opening them together, and I will be showing you what's new in makeup right now and some packages that I have been sent. Of course, huge thank you to you guys for always making this possible for me, and a huge thank you to all of the brands who have sent me some of these great packages. So really quickly before I open some of them, I just want to say that I do have my giveaway going on right now, and if you guys want to still enter, I think you have another week or so. So go ahead and do that down below, and let's start opening some of these packages. I have here is from Nugg, and I've actually never tried anything from them, so I'm really excited to see what they sent over. I've heard really great things about their masks. So we have a hydrating lip mask. This says it's for kissably soft lips, and it's all natural, has shea butter, coconut oil. Ooh, this sounds like it's gonna be nice. So it says you just need to leave it on for 20 minutes or overnight. Definitely gonna be trying out this, and I love coconut. Also looks like they sent over some masks in here. I am so excited to try out this brand. I have been seeing them all around, and I think that their packaging is so smart. These are so tiny and compact. I feel like they're super easy to store. So we have here an anti-aging. We also have a hydrating mask. Let's see what else we have here. We have a exfoliating mask, and then the last one is another hydrating mask. So we have two hydratings and then an anti-aging. And ooh, this one is pomegranate too, so the exfoliating one is pomegranate. So I cannot wait to try these out. Like I said, I've been dying to try their stuff, so huge thank you to Nugg for sending me this package. And my lips are in serious need of this, so thank you so much. So this next box here is from DOLL10, and it has a cute little thing on the front. It says, if loving lashes is a crime, we plead guilty. That is so cute. What is this? So it looks like a little necklace. Oh my gosh, I have to see what this is. Okay, so let's see. It says, we're causing trouble, we're one of a kind, 3 words to describe us, partner in crime. And then it has oh my god, a broken necklace that says partners in crime, like a best friend's necklace. That is so freaking cute. It says here that they are breaking all of the mascara rules with their new Illegals mascara. So it says that it lengthens, curls, it should be illegal. Dual formula combines 2 separate formulas into one chamber to give the both of best worlds, unlawful length and criminal curl. Did we mention it's voluminous too? Oh my gosh, this is too cute. So it says community doll chest, get out of jail free card. This card may be used for lashing out with illegal eyes, one for you and one for your partner in crime. That is so cute. So they have a new mascara. This is their Illegal Eyes mascara. Oh, so it's like a double pack. So there's 2 different mascaras in here. So let's see what the wand looks like. I'm really excited to try this. It says that it's going to lengthen as well as it's going to volumize. So 2 things that you want in a mascara in one. So that's really exciting. Here is what the wand looks like. I am so excited to try this, and this is the cutest package ever. I can't! You guys, there's handcuffs in here. This package is adorable. Oh my gosh, they're like rhinestone handcuffs. This is so cute. Thank you so much to DOLL10. I cannot wait to use this mascara and this package. You guys, it was so much fun to open. Next little package here is from Patchology. So it says here, prep your pout with lip service. This product transforms from a lush gloss into a hydrating balm that lasts. Pouch. Ooh, we got some candy. I love candy. These are sugar lips. How cute. So these are like little lip candies. That is adorable. Those are so cute. This pouch is so cute. I love all the little lipstick emojis and everything on it. So let's see what we have here. Oh, awesome. So we have some of their lip renewals. I love using these. Ooh, they stocked me. They sent me a bunch of those. I absolutely love these, and I actually ran out of them, so really excited about that. And then we also have in here a little thing explaining their new gloss to balm treatment. So I believe that's what this is going to be right here. So yeah, this is called the Lip Service. It says that it has honey, vitamin B3, and goji goji berry. I think I'm saying that right. I don't really know what that is, but I really like the packaging on this, that it has like the pink. Really, really cute. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Oh, perfect. So it's just in like a little squeeze tube. So really, really excited to try this. I definitely have very dry lips in the wintertime, so this is going to be perfect to help hydrate them. Thank you so much to Patchology. I cannot wait to try this out, and thank you so much for a restock on those lip masks. I'm definitely going to be using these tonight. So this next little package is from MINK DIVA Lashes. I have used their lashes in the past, and I really, really like them, so they sent me over a new pair. This is in the style Boss. Ooh, they got some new packaging, so it looks like they added some glitter to their packaging. They didn't have that in their other one. So here is the style Boss. These look super, super pretty. I cannot wait to try them out. They look really wispy. And I love this new glitter packaging. So cute. Thank you, MINK DIVA Lashes. So this next box here, this is from soap&glory. So let's see what they sent over. Looks like we have a ton of different products in here. So let's see what we have. So this is a lip contouring crayon. We also have here, what is this? A peach pout, so a balmy lipstick. We have here a couple of different lip products. So these are their Matte-Allic, it looks like. I can't wait to try these. So this one is in the shade Gold Dusk. Oh my gosh, that's super pretty. It looks like it's going to be like a more sheer gloss, but it has more of a metallic hint to it. That's super, super pretty. And then what is this one? So this one is in the shade Bronze Girl. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, that one's pretty as well. So you have another peach pout, and then we also have in here, what is this? So this looks like it's going to be a day and night face palette. Love the packaging on this. This is so fun. So let's see. Ooh, this looks really pretty on the inside. Here's what the palette looks like. I think that the mailman's here, and my dog always freaks out when the mailman gets here. Oh my gosh, there's so many products in here. So we have another one of the peach pouts, and then we also have some more of the lip crayons. So it looks like there's a bunch of different colors of those, and then another one of those metallic lips. And then it also looks like we have in here a thick and fast mascara. So really excited to try all of these products out. Thank you so much to soap&glory. I cannot wait to wear all these lip colors, and that face palette looks great. So this next package arrived this morning, and I'm not really sure who it's from. It doesn't really say, so let's see who it is from. Oh my gosh. It looks like a nice little personalized box. Look at how cute that is. Oh, how cute. I wonder who this is from. It gets me so excited when it's like a cute little presentation. We have had some cute packages today. Gosh, I'm feeling like so spoiled. I have no clue what is inside of here, so let's see who this is from. How cute. Okay, so this is from La-Ta-Da, which is the cutest name ever, and they sent me over some hair stuff. So look at this clip. Ooh, super pretty. And then we have these hair ties. They have like little jewels on them. What else do we have in here? Oh, this is cute. So this is like a little hair barrette. That's different. And then we also have in here a really cute headband. I've been wanting to get more headbands. This is really cute. I like the gold. And then they also gave me one of the Treseme's hair sprays, like the mini ones. So we just have one more package here, and this came from Absolute New York. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's see. All right, so another cute little bag. Oh, how fun. It has a bunch of little confetti in here. So let's see what the little thing says. Okay, so it says here we have two different new lip products. So we have the metallic matte and then the metallic gloss. And it says both are available in 10 shades. So it looks like they sent us some of both. So let's open them up and see what they look like. Oh my gosh, this little stuff is getting everywhere right now because it's like stuck to the bottom of these. Definitely gonna need to vacuum. Okay, so this is the metallic gloss. So this one is in the shade Bossy. So let's see what this one looks like. Packaging looks really nice on these. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I've been really into metallic lately, so this is perfect for me. Ooh, that is a pretty shade. So this is the metallic in Boss. So here is one of the mattes. So this is in the shade Rose Gold. Oh my gosh, this stuff is literally everywhere. Okay, so, ooh, this looks pretty. So it definitely looks like it's gonna be a rose gold. And so this is a metallic matte. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it feels like the formula is gonna be really nice too. It feels nice and like silky. So here is the rose gold shade in the metallic matte formula. Whew, I cannot wait to try these out. I want to swatch all of them, but I don't have much room and I don't want to make this video too long. So huge thank you to Absolute New York for this package. I cannot wait to try out the rest of these lip products. Hey guys, I think we got through all of the packages. Huge thank you to all of these brands for some adorable, incredible packages. I cannot wait to try out all of these products. And a big thank you to you guys, of course, for making this all possible for me. I love you guys so much and you know you mean the world to me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know which one of these products you guys want to try and which one you're most excited about. I know I'm excited about quite a few of these. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.